If you're interested in upgrading to paid plan on Framer, make sure to use the link in the description. You can also enter the promo code Partner25Pro yearly to get 25% off and enjoy 3 months for free. So if you're looking to enhance your Framer experience, take advantage of that offer. To add video in Framer, click the text button and select media. Drag the video and you've just successfully add a video. Now you can resize it to whatever size you want. You can also move it. On the right side, you'll see the editor. In here, you can customize your video, your width, your height, and its background. You can also put a URL or upload a video from your computer. You can also customize the playing button, and also you can put a loop if you want and a start time, and you can also customize the radius of your video. You can resize it to cover, to feel, or to anything you want. And that's it. That's how you add a video in Framer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.